Well, it's finally done, and just in time. Hello, QTubers. Here it is. This is the finished product. I still have a light bar to put on, which came in the mail today, but I'm not sure I'm going to even put it on. So here's the Rubi accessorized. I don't want to say mods because really there's not much, like it's not it's not the same. So if I say mods, all the mudding guys will get mad at me because it's not really mods. The only mods are the 1-inch bigger tires. The rims, check those out. The rims I had powder coated. Those are my old rims and tires, and I had the rims powder coated to match the quad, and I don't know how it looks on video, but they turned out great. Not sure if you remember what it looked like before. Here's the before picture, and here's the after picture. Before, after. Before, after. So what do we got for accessories? A GoPro mount so I can see Timmer and Taco on my wing. I put on some Heat Demon heated grips and thumb warmers, a 3,000 pound Champion winch, a couple of RAM mounts for my GPS units, cargo box. I was gonna get a new one, and then I'm thinking I'll probably end up selling the black Ruby. But even if I don't need a big cargo box on it, so I thought this thing's in good shape. I just got to clean it up a bit and refresh the plastic, which I did with new wipe. You can see how it looks pretty good. And just reuse that. The Ruby's in the background looking all sad and dejected. It's got stuff piled on it. I was going to buy those Honda clips, the quick connect system, but you can't buy the clips separate from the cargo box, and they want $400 for the cargo box. The Honda dealer here was going to give me a deal on it. Their cost was $350, but what else did I put for accessories? Well, of course, the cup holder. Q needs his coffee. Oh, and a couple of custom stickers that Mrs. Q made me, and this one. This is where my light bar is going right here. Something like that. So hopefully when I'm pushing trees I don't smash it off. I could put it up here like I did on the last one. Okay, you guys tell me, right here or down here? So down here or up here? Down here or up here? The only other thing I might put on here, I probably will put on, is my saw press, but I gotta clean it up a bit. The chainsaw press is what I was talking about, obviously. Okay, and that's it. How about those rims though, eh? Like, those are nice, guys. They turned out great. Oh, and the center caps, because they're plastic, they couldn't powder coat those. So I went to Wally's Coatings in Regina, for anybody that's in the Regina area, and they matched the color. I took the rims to them, they basically just matched them, and oddly enough, when I got home and sprayed them, this color is an identical match to the color on my quad. And we didn't notice this when we were doing the color matching, but right here, manufacturer of this color is Honda. How weird is that? So it was the identical match, and I'll show you a picture in the video right now of what it looks like if you don't overspray the hub and how good it matches. I oversprayed these. I made them a little darker and with the lug nuts. And I'll also leave a link to Wally's Coatings in the description below. Anyway, that's it. That's the new Ruby, and Timmer and I are heading out in a couple days for the mountains in British Columbia, our annual trip, and it's got like 1 kilometer on it, this thing, and I cannot wait to get it muddy. There's not much for mud out in the mountains, but I can't wait to put some miles on it. Thanks for watching.